Supporting friends and family is a beautiful way to cultivate positivity in your life. When you uplift others, you also uplift yourself, creating stronger relationships and a sense of fulfillment. Be an active listener. Give your full attention when someone talks to you. Show empathy by validating their feelings and offering support. Celebrate their successes. Acknowledge and cheer for their achievements, big or small. Be genuinely happy for their progress, without comparison. Offer help without expecting anything in return. Assist with small tasks, like running errands or offering a ride. Provide emotional support during tough times. Check in regularly. A simple message or call to ask, "How are you?" can mean a lot. Be there for them, even when they don't explicitly ask for help. Encourage and motivate them. Remind them of their strengths when they doubt themselves. Offer words of encouragement to keep them going. Share laughter and joy. Spend quality time together, making happy memories. Lighten their mood with humor and positivity. Respect their boundaries and feelings. Support them in a way they feel comfortable with. Avoid pressuring them and respect their personal space. Be their safe space. Let them know they can talk to you without fear of judgment. Offer kindness and understanding instead of criticism. Express gratitude for their presence in your life. Tell them how much you appreciate them. A small thank you can make both of you feel more connected. Led by example. Be the kind of friend or family member you wish to have. Your kindness will inspire them to spread positivity as well. When you give love and support selflessly, you create a cycle of positivity that comes back to you in unexpected ways.